Morgan is literally in the living room and I'm making this right here right now. Concept.
There you go.
Thank you so much. I've never actually, oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, we're making something for my husband's baby shower right now. So I have a box. I'm gonna cut off all this so I can put stuff in.
Now do you have to cut the top? Oh, you got it.
Yeah, thank you. These are perfect size for this. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I want this to be usable, so. Take a small piece of it too. Oh yeah. More tape. Do it just together with like a teeny piece of tape, just so that they stay together. Oh, diapers. I didn't even tape the top. I don't know why I thought I did. On one side. I have one side left. This side needs to be fixed, but we're working at it. Tape repair. Putting diaper in this corner. I don't really know, it's not really a box either. It's a basket. I'm gonna take it down this way just a little bit. That's what I'm gonna do for a living. I'm gonna make baby basket. Do something weird. Hell yeah. I'm gonna tape together all of the corners just to give it that illusion of like never ending. On top. Like so. I don't know if I should add another layer of her. I'm folding this like this to make a bow. Thanks. I'll just sit in here with you. Yeah. Ooh, fun stuff. That's cute. Pull her up tonight. That's what you're saying.
To make her look like 9 months. Everyone will be like, what?
Did you see my Instagram pictures I posted?
Yeah.
And we had a balloon in her shirt.
I know. I was like, Riot's not that big yet.
I showed your mom those pictures last night and she was like, I don't remember Morgan being that big.
This is her second kid. She already had the first
when
one.
we were in Bali, we went through it real quick.
That's why she got sick.
But now I'm making a vlog on how to make one. By the way, guys, you put the sticks in the corners. Still. No, I was here last night. I was like, where is everyone?
Yeah.
One.
Double spaced.
Literally. I kind of want to put a teddy bear in here.
Mm.
2 for 1.
Yeah. Ah. She'll be graduating nursing school.
I know.
So, 2 for 1.
There you go.
You were right.
Yeah, she's not allowed in her own room.
I'm gonna take her out of the gym. It's just the gym.
Exactly. And then I just kind of shove this on the top. So cute. Maybe you throw it in before you put the sticks in.
No,
I'm like, should we use this one?
It's on my hip as one.
And I like the name for a boy. But I didn't know that was a car name. And I kind of don't like that.
That's cute for a boy though.
This is just wrapped around like once, right? It's not like a bow. Dude. Recently?
Hang streamers from the side. The balloons are just like we should call everyone in here. Alright. Can you tell Morgan
In the camera. Hold on.
You gotta
Okay.
record you.
Go ahead.
To her.
Go ahead.
Part of your graduation too.
There you go.
A diaper diploma.
Diaper diploma. Okay, here you go. Here you go.